Hey guys, so someone just commented on my video a couple minutes ago, about 10 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago, whatever, saying involved at IMO. And I knew that this was something that was cool, or something back. But all of these are Vaughn/Vaughn. None of them are Vault. New spam bot? New dangerous spam bot? Who knows? I don't know. Anyways, bye guys, this is just weird. If you see this video, go tell it to, I don't know if Timeworks you see this video, or if anyone who knows about this kind of stuff sees this video. Please, I want to know. I don't know what this is. Help.